Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Accord rear brakes. Before starting, gather all necessary tools and parts, including new brake pads and rotors. Safety is paramount, so always wear appropriate personal protective equipment like gloves and eye protection. This guide will help you perform the replacement efficiently and correctly, ensuring your vehicle's braking system functions optimally. First, loosen the lug nuts on the rear wheel while the car is still on the ground. Then, safely lift the vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly on two jack stands. Remove the wheel completely. Next, locate and remove the two caliper guide pin bolts, usually 14 millimeters, allowing you to carefully detach the caliper. Finally, remove the old brake pads and the old rotor. Now, clean the caliper bracket thoroughly and apply a thin layer of new caliper grease to the sliding surfaces. Place the new brake rotor onto the wheel hub, ensuring it sits flush. Use a specialized caliper piston compression tool to retract the caliper piston fully. Carefully insert the two new brake pads into the bracket, then reattach the caliper, securing it with the two guide pin bolts. Finally, reinstall the wheel and tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 100 foot-pounds. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm, which resets the caliper piston. Check your brake fluid reservoir and top it off if the level is low. Always perform a cautious test drive in a safe area to confirm your new brakes are functioning correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.